everyone! Welcome back to Learn English, Love English. Today, we're diving into an exciting scene from Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice. Join us as we explore the adventurous plan of Lorenzo and his friends as they prepare for a grand masquerade and a daring elopement. In the busy streets of Venice, four friends, Lorenzo, Gratiano, Salarino, and Salanio, were planning something exciting. They wanted to sneak away from their dinner, put on disguises, and come back in an hour for a fun masquerade party. Gratiano and Salarino were worried because they hadn't prepared well, especially since they didn't have torchbearers to light the way for their performance. But Lorenzo was optimistic and assured them they had enough time, 2 whole hours, to get everything ready. Lorenzo was extra excited because he had a secret plan. He wanted to run away with Jessica, the beautiful daughter of Shylock. As they talked, Lancelot, a funny servant, arrived with a letter for Lorenzo. Lorenzo's eyes lit up when he saw the letter from Jessica. He read it eagerly. In the letter, Jessica explained her plan to escape from her father's house with gold and jewels, dressed as a boy so no one would recognize her. Lorenzo was thrilled and promised to take care of her. He told Lancelot to go back and tell Jessica that he would protect her and that she would be his torchbearer, lighting their way as they ran away together. With their plan set, the friends went to get ready. They put on their disguises, transforming into mysterious figures for the masquerade. Lorenzo's heart was pounding with excitement as he thought about Jessica and their future together. When the time came, they met up, ready for the adventure. Jessica, dressed as a boy and holding a torch, joined them. She was not only lighting their way, but also symbolizing their bright future. Together, they started their journey. The night was filled with the glow of torches and the thrill of their escape. For Lorenzo and Jessica, this night was the beginning of a new life, filled with hope and love. The streets of Venice, usually bustling with activity, seemed to hold its breath as the group moved stealthily through the shadows. Their hearts raced with a mix of fear and excitement. Every corner they turned brought them closer to freedom and further from the constraints of their old lives. The masquerade had provided the perfect cover for their daring plan. Music and laughter filled the air, masking the sound of their hurried footsteps. The friends, now disguised, blended seamlessly into the crowd. Lorenzo couldn't help but glance at Jessica, her courage shining through her disguise. As they approached the edge of the city, the reality of their escape began to sink in. They were leaving behind everything they knew for a chance at a new beginning. The weight of their decision was heavy, but their resolve was stronger. Lorenzo held Jessica's hand tightly, a silent promise of the future they would build together. The torch she carried illuminated their path, a beacon of hope in the darkness. They moved with purpose, each step a testament to their love. The friends, though nervous, were united in their support for Lorenzo and Jessica. They knew the risks, but believed in the power of their bond. The masquerade continued behind them, a distant echo of the life they were leading. As they reached the outskirts of Venice, the city lights faded into the background. The night sky stretched out before them, vast and full of possibilities. They paused for a moment, taking in the enormity of what they were about to do. Lorenzo turned to Jessica, his eyes filled with determination. "Are you ready?" he asked softly. Jessica nodded, her heart pounding with anticipation. Together, they took the first step into their new life, leaving the past behind. The journey ahead was uncertain, but they faced it with courage and hope. The friends followed closely, their loyalty unwavering. The bond they shared was strengthened by the trials they had faced together. As dawn approached, the first light of day began to chase away the shadows. The group found a quiet spot to rest, their spirits lifted by the promise of a new beginning. They knew the road ahead would be challenging. But they also knew that together, they could overcome anything. The masquerade had been the catalyst for their escape, but it was their love and friendship that would sustain them. They were ready to face whatever came next. Lorenzo and Jessica looked at each other, their hearts full of hope. They had taken a leap of faith, and now they were free to build the life they had always dreamed of. The future was theirs to shape. As the sun rose, they felt a renewed sense of purpose. The challenges they had faced only made their bond stronger. They were ready to embrace the adventures that lay ahead, knowing that they had each other, The friends, now more like family, stood by their side. Together, they would navigate the twists and turns of life, supporting each other every step of the way. The masquerade was over, but their journey had just begun. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this retelling of The Merchant of Venice, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more literary adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the world of books with us. Bye!